Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your American Express personal saving account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your American Express personal saving account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address americanexpress.com and hit on enter, and then it'll be directed to the home page of American Express. Now, in order to log into your personal saving account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the login button available for us. Click on that, and then you'll be over here on the login panel of your American Express account, where first guys, in order to proceed, you'll be required to enter or choose the cards and banking type. This is the type where you have their personal saving and online banking type. Others are for membership, rewards, merchant account, and American Express @work. After choosing the category cards and banking, enter your user ID over here, whichever it may be, and after that enter your password over here guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can always retrieve it or reset it from over here where it says the forgot user ID or password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your user ID or your password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your user ID and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your American Express account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your American Express account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.